In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate same consistent images with Weavy AI. When we talk about consistency in Weavy, we mean recreating the same face, the same clothing style, the same lighting style, the same character identity, and a similar overall composition from one image to the next. Getting this right pays off for AI influencers, storytelling in comics, brand campaigns, product ads, YouTube thumbnails, and Instagram content. Anywhere a repeating look builds recognition. Start by using a strong reference image. Upload a clear portrait if the face is your focus, or a full body photo if outfit and pose matter. You can also use an existing AI character you've already generated, or a clean product shot. Pick images with sharp details, minimal motion blur, and simple backgrounds so the model can lock onto the identity and silhouette without distractions. Next, enable the tools that tell Weavy to hold that look. Turn on character consistency to keep the overall persona stable. Enable identity lock so distinctive traits like facial structure, hairstyle, or a product's shape don't drift. Use face preservation to protect key facial features from generation to generation. And set reference strength so the output closely follows your reference. Start at a moderate level and nudge higher if you see changes you don't want. These controls work together to maintain appearance while still allowing creative variation in pose or setting. Keep your core prompt the same across runs. Don't rewrite it each time. The main identity description, things like age, hairstyle, outfit type, brand color, or product name, should remain unchanged. You can vary supporting details like pose, camera angle, background location, or time of day, but avoid swapping core descriptors. For example, if your character wears a brown leather jacket under soft studio lighting, keep those phrases steady. Changing them to denim or harsh neon will shift identity, style, and lighting all at once. Choose the right model for consistency. Flux context is excellent for character consistency and is a great starting point to establish identity. Flux Pro adds ultra realism if you want a refined finish. FluxDev is useful when you need faster iterations. Seedream leans cinematic, and SDXL favors a stylized look. A reliable setup is to generate with Flux context to nail identity, then switch to Flux Pro using the same prompt and reference to enhance realism. Finally, connect your prompt and your reference image to the selected model and click Run Model. Review the result for face match, outfit continuity, lighting similarities, and composition. If anything drifts, slightly increase reference strength or tighten the identity wording, then run again. Follow this workflow and you'll produce consistently on-brand images session after session.